Hello student, let's understand the question. Here the question is about the tobacco plant infested with Meladocin incognitia. Meladocin incognitia is a parasite which causing the infestation. Terminology infestation is particularly used when the parasite causing the infestation. What is a parasite? Parasite are those organisms which derive all the nutrients from living organism. So what happened in this case? They will derive all the nutrients from living organism. The plant will not get any nutrients. The plant will die. So we have to use the strategy to stop this infestation. Which strategy we use? Here the RNA interference strategy. And which vector use? We use the agrobacterium vector. So why vector is used? To introduce the nematode specific gene which is obtained from nematode. Now let's begin with to understand the concept. What is the given information is here? Given information is tobacco plant infested with a nematode. Use vector to introduce this gene. Which vector will you study in the next explanation? Understand the concept. RNA interference or silencing RNA. This concept is used to stop this infestation, and the vector we use is agrobacterium vector. Let's begin explanation about this concept. Explanation here, the first part is this is the tobacco plant and these are the roots of the tobacco plant. What happened? The parasite, that is the nematode, infect the root and derive all the nutrient from this tobacco plant. The plant will not have any nutrition and this plant will ultimately die. So what strategy we have to use to stop this infestation? We use the strategy that is called as the RNA interference strategy. What is the aim of this strategy? To produce the genetic modified plant. How? By introducing the gene. The gene is nothing but the transposons. What are the transposons? They are also called as the mobile gene. That is also called the jumping gene that jump from one position to another position. And this is introduced using the vector. Vector means the vehicle which transfers from one duration to another position. So this vector is the agrobacterium vector, which is particularly useful. Let's study this concept in detail. RNA interference strategy in detail, or also called silencing RNA. Here, for example, this is the tobacco plant and this is the parasite. Now, here the tobacco plant, what we do? We introduce the gene. The what kind of gene? These are the transposons. What are the transposons? The transposons are nothing but the mobile gene. And this mobile gene from where we obtain? Nematode specific genes. And these introduced using the vector, using the agrobacterium vector. When we introduce the gene in the tobacco plant, what will happen? It will form RNA. That is, they will form sense and antisense RNA. This antisense and sense RNA. What is exactly sense RNA? The codon are readable. They will get translated into protein. But antisense RNA, the codon are not readable. And then together annual means they join to form the dsRNA, that is double-stranded RNA. This double-stranded RNA broken down with the help of dicer enzyme into siRNA. siRNA, these are the small units of RNA and they are called as the small interference RNA. They are very small. They are the 21 to 30 nucleotide small. Now, let's see what happen in case of parasite. For parasite, for normal process, they require the enzyme. And these enzymes are nothing but the protein in nature. Now, we'll see how this protein is synthesized in nematode. The main precursor for protein synthesis, DNA. DNA will produce mRNA during the transcription process and it will produce protein molecule in translation process. Now what will happen, we'll study. When this parasite attack the tobacco plant, what happened? This siRNA get activated and this siRNA will attack on mRNA. It will block or silence mRNA. After silencing or blockage of mRNA, what will happen? The mRNA will not available for protein synthesis. This will not get translated or genetically expressed into the protein. So no protein is synthesized. If no protein, no enzyme, and no enzyme, the parasite ultimately will die. So in this way, we can produce the stop the infestation in the tobacco plant. So here the main concept that is used is the RNA interference strategy, which is used to stop this infestation. Now we'll study what is the vector we use, agrobacterium vector. So the main solution for this is the RNA interference strategy that is useful and the vector we use the agrobacterium vector. And the summarization of the topic, in this case we introduce the gene and that gene is the mobile gene and after introducing it will produce dsRNA convert into siRNA and siRNA act on mRNA, stop the silence the mRNA and therefore there will be no protein synthesis and no protein synthesis that nematode will not survive in the tobacco plant. So this is all about to stop the infestation and to produce the genetically modified plant by using this strategy. Thank you very much.